Hi, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today's lesson is on human sexual anatomy and physiology. Your instructors for today are Mr. Jolodinov, Ms. Ruiz, Ms. Hassan, and myself, Mrs. DeAndrea. And we're from the Cal State LA Student Leaders in Sex Education Program, also known as SLICE. So today's agenda, you have a do now activity, which you will do with Ms. Oberman if you haven't already done so. I'm going to touch on the learning objectives that we'll be covering today, as well as the California Healthy Youth Act and the California state standards that will be addressed in today's lesson. Then you're going to do an icebreaker activity with Mrs. Oberman. And the material that will be covered today is male anatomy and physiology, female anatomy and physiology, puberty, hygiene, and self-examinations. Then you're going to do a fun Kahoot activity, and you're going to wrap up today with an exit ticket to assess your knowledge. All right, so learning objectives. After today's lesson, you will be able to describe changes in your body as you become a young adult. And you're going to be able to discuss how to actively manage personal health behaviors like hygiene, self-examinations, and medical screenings. You're going to be able to do all of these things so that you can identify important parts and functions of both the female and male reproductive systems and their effect on your physical and emotional well-being as you grow and develop. And also so that you can be able to self-check for irregular changes in your body and maintain good hygiene to prevent infections or disease. So you're going to know you got it when you can identify and discuss the importance of the main parts of both the female and male reproductive systems and understand the changes that occur physically, emotionally, and socially during puberty. You're going to also know you've got it when you can explain why it is important to perform self-examinations and be able to identify 2 cancers that can be prevented through self-examinations. And lastly, you're going to know you got it when you can discuss the significance of good hygiene. All right, so just a little bit about the California Healthy Youth Act. It was developed to make sure all students learn about sexual and reproductive health. So the state of California has determined what is most important for teens to learn and has set standards that all lessons for sexual health have to follow. So the following standards that we are going to be addressing in today's lessons, you can see on the slide. So we're going to be providing you, the pupils, with knowledge and skills that you need to develop healthy attitudes concerning adolescent growth and development and body image. And today's lesson will be promoting understanding of sexuality as a normal part of human development. For more information, go ahead and check out the link that's on the slide if you're interested to check out more about the California Healthy Youth Act. And the California state standards that we will be addressing in today's lessons are listed on the screen as well. So we're going to be covering standard 1.1G, describe physical, social, and emotional changes associated with being a young adult. Standard 3.1G, analyze the validity of health information, products, and services related to reproductive and sexual health. And lastly, standard 5.5G, use a decision-making process to analyze the benefits of respecting individual differences in growth and development and physical appearance. And again, there's a link if you want to check out more on the California state standards. All right, it's icebreaker time. So you're going to go ahead and do a fun icebreaker activity with Mrs. Oberman, and I will see you later.